This is Onitsha Main Market. Onitsha Main Market. Igbo na ife Governor Soludo na eme nani na Onitsha Main Market. Today being 1st of March 2026. Yesterday was the last day of February. In the midnight, those caterpillar came and demolishing all these shops. Why Haji Bianabani? Why Haji Bia in the daytime? And some of the goods of the people that are inside those shops. Ọtụtụ ngwa afịa ụmụnna anyị dị n'ime shop anyị for na demolish. Governor Soludo, why are you doing this in Tondi? Why? Inyogi iwu wee sị na ịchọzi ife. Fana ayogu biko all 1 year or 6 months. Kafa wee leka afịa fana had stranded and you did not provide them ebe ha ga-anọ. Thousands of people got the jobless. Governor Soludo, why are you doing this? Governor Soludo, imetere ya at all. Odoroma ha na-ebe akwa na ayogo na gụnye for 6 months or 1 year, but he refused. We send the caterpillar in the midnight. They demolish all those shops, thousands of shops, and some of them, ngwafia goods, do nime shop, everything destroyed. They cannot sue you to court. They cannot do anything. You are a governor. You are a governor. They cannot do you anything. Nobody will talk. When you can give order to arrest that person. You are a governor. You can do whatever you want to do. Some of them nani ngwafia the name all these shops. Ibanabani, they demolish all these shops. If on a Mendi Bona Lagos, I could remember even last 2 years ago, last year, Omunai Batacha Christmas, although in the midnight, the Jiri Caterpillar, but they demolish their shops. And most of them, their goods kind of inside these shops. Most of them, shop. Now the same thing in Anambra State, the same thing in our own land. Governor Soludo, why are you doing this with our people? They feel me fine. Hana Yogo, they didn't have a kind of government house. Hada and Anambra Anambra media delete those videos. Hada and Anambra na Yogo Biko. Momo Anyaga, Nada and Anambra, na Yogo Biko. But equal. Hana Yogo 6 months or 1 year. If I will prepare themselves to move, you refuse. Give them other 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I know me find a man of work. I'm not gonna one day. We come. Mbai Gazajuju, when I see Lolo no one. That we come. Mbai Gazajuju. Highest power no in our hand on Anambra State as a governor. In the next 5 years, 6 years, if you not of work, nobody will obey you in Anambra State again. In the next 5 years or 6 years now, if you not of work in order, nobody will hear you. This one happen. I name me if you can check no na on the condition of these people. Governor name me if you don't to you. How will you feel? Corona is feel. Bible will see. If you want the mega God give my one nigga.
What